Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. Next, s squared multiplied by s squared, s and number 4, and we have like this. Next, we have the formula in here. So we put number 4 cone here, so we have 4 plus 1, we have number 5. And now that is about x to the power of 5 over 5. The next one, that's about number 4 over 4, number 3. And we can say that 4 divided by 4, we simplify it, and we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.